Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to easily view your steps right on your iPhone. Okay, first things first, let's open up the Health app. Once you're in, you should see a summary page. It looks something like this. Now you might see your steps already pinned here, like I do. But if you don't, no worries. Just tap on Browse in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Activity. Scroll down a bit, and you should see the Steps card. Right now, I'm at 4,000 steps. Let's tap on that. Here you'll find more detailed info about your steps. You can filter the data by day, week, month, 6 months, and even the whole year. Keep scrolling down and you'll find even more data related to your steps. Now if you want to pin your steps to that main summary page, go back to the summary page, and tap the edit button right under your profile icon. You can either search for steps in the search bar, or find it under the Activity tab. Once you see it, just tap on it. Now hit Done in the top right corner. Boom! Steps are now pinned. Want to change the order of your pinned cards? Easy. Tap Edit again. Then, just drag and drop the cards to rearrange them however you like. I'm gonna put steps right at the top. Hit Done. And there you go, all reorganized. And that's all there is to it. It's super simple once you know where to look. This is just based on my own experience, so yours might be slightly different. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. You can find some helpful links in the description too. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.